you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Call of Duty, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to get back into the game. Step 1. Restart the game. Close the game completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance announcements. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them, as updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. For PC players, you can clear the game cache through the game launcher settings. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can help resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the loading screen issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue and enjoy your gaming experience. If problems continue, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.